Hey there, my name is Max from mauwiks.com, and today I want to talk about the struggles of building a successful blogging business or niche website. Also, we're going to discuss an essential aspect of motivations. Let's get started. Starting a website takes time and effort. You must build a following or to create a quality content and establish authority in your niche. It can be discouraging when you're putting in much hard work but not seeing the desired results. However, we need to remember that building a successful website takes time and effort. It's not an overnight success story, but a long term journey as well. So it requires patience, persistence, and resilience. One of the key things that can help you to stay motivated and focus on your goals is to have a clear understanding of your why. So, why did you start this blog or website? What are your long term goals? By keeping your why in mind, you can stay focused on your vision and remind yourself why you started in this first place. Breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks is also helpful tip. Focusing on one small step at a time, you can make progress with without feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. This can help you stay motivated and build momentum towards achieving your long term goals. Remember that challenges are a normal part of the process. Don't be discouraged by failure. Instead, use them as learning opportunities to improve yourself and grow. Keep pushing forward, and with time and effort, you will see the results you desire. However, it's important to note that while motivation can be helpful, it's not always necessary to succeed in business. Many successful entrepreneurs and business owners have achieved their goals without feeling constantly motivated. Instead, they prioritize discipline, consistency, and hard work. And while having a clear why and breaking down goals into smaller tasks can be helpful, ultimately it's the daily grind and commitment to the business that drives success. So if you're not feeling motivated every day, that is really okay. Focus on taking action towards your goals. Even on the days when motivation is low, you need to remember that why you're starting in the first place, what is your why, what is your purpose or mission for starting this blogging business or niche website. Remembering that can help you stay motivated and focus in your long term goals. Breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. So, when it comes to starting a blogging, business, or niche website, finding your niche and target audience um, or creating valuable content and promoting your brand is essential. But remember, success takes time and effort. It won't happen overnight. However, you will eventually reach your destination if you keep pushing through. Okay? In addition to John's advice, here are some more tips for those struggling to keep going with their blogging business or niche website. Stay true to your vision. Remember why you started and what you want to achieve. Stay focused on your goals and keep your eyes on the prize. Okay, develop a plan or break down your goals into smaller or more manageable tasks. Create a roadmap to guide you toward your long-term goals, and be consistent as well. Consistency is the key in building a successful blogging business or niche website. Set a schedule for publishing and stick to it. And also, network with like minded individuals. You know what I mean? Join online communities or attend networking events to connect with other bloggers and entrepreneurs in your niche. This can help you to stay motivated and learn from others' experiences. In conclusion about this topic, starting a blogging business is challenging, but with the right mindset and approach, you can overcome the struggles and succeed. Remember to stay motivated and focus on the things or on your goals and never give up. With the time and effort, you'll create the website of your dreams. This is Max again from mauwiks.com, and I'll see you again.